RBC indices are used to classify the anemia. In this video, I am going to tell you what are these RBC indices. Hey everyone, welcome back to HM Learnings. I am Harshita, the creator of HM Learnings, where students come to clear their concept and to get the study material. Make sure that you have subscribed my channel. You can also follow HM Learnings on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for daily updates. We have also started uploading all our contents on website called as SlideShare. You can easily download and clip our slides from that website. I will also share the link of this video SlideShare in the description box. So you can click on that link and you will be on the SlideShare. So with this we begin today's video. So RBC indices are actually the values which are used to classify the anemia, and these values are derived from the values of the hemoglobin, that is the hemoglobin present in the 100 ml of the blood, the packed cell volume and the total RBC count present in the per millimeter cubic of the blood. So by for putting in the formula of each RBC indices, we can get the value of these RBC indices. So we talk about only 3 RBC indices in this video, that is the mean cell volume, the mean cell hemoglobin and the mean cell hemoglobin concentration. Okay, so we'll start with the first one, which is the mean corpuscle or the cell volume. So this is basically the volume of a single RBC, that is the average volume of a single red blood cell. So we know that the packed cell volume is basically the volume of the RBC in the 100 ml of the blood. Okay, and we also know that the RBC count is measured in the 100 ml of the blood. So if we just plot the unitary method by you can see, if we divide the packed cell volume to the RBC count, we can get the mean corpuscle volume, and it will be expressed in the unit called as a femtoliters, that is equal to 10 raised to power minus 15 liters. The normal value of the mean corpuscle volume is 78 to 96 femtoliter, and it is basically the index of the RBC size, because volume, more will be the RBC size. So with this we can actually classify the RBC size, that is either the RBC is normocytic, or it can, if it is the MCV, if it is less than 78 femtoliter, it is called as a microcytic, and if it is more than 96 femtoliter, it is called as a macrocytic. So mean corpuscle volume is basically the volume of a single red blood cell, can be easily find out by dividing the packed cell volume to the RBC count. Now the next is the mean corpuscle hemoglobin, and it is basically the weight of the hemoglobin which is present in a single RBC. So we calculate, already we have a value of a hemoglobin which is in the gram per deciliter, that is the hemoglobin, the weight of the hemoglobin present in 100 ml of blood, and we also know the RBC count which is present in the 100 ml of blood. So here also we can apply the unitary method. We will divide hemoglobin to the RBC count into 10, and then we will get the mean corpuscle hemoglobin. Okay, so it is very easy to learn the formulas. You need to just apply the common sense and you will just get the formulas. So it is expressed in picograms, that is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 grams, and the normal value is 27 to 33 picograms. If the value is less than 27 picogram, it is called as an hypochromic anemia. Means a type of anemia which has less concentration of hemoglobin, and hence the RBC seems to be less pigmented. Okay, so they could be normochromic and they could be hyperchromic. Now we move on to the third type of the volume indices, that is the mean corpuscle hemoglobin concentration. It is the average hemoglobin concentration per unit volume of packed cell, and it can be calculated as hemoglobin present in 100 ml of blood divided by PCV of 100 ml. So the normal value here is 33 to 37%, is 33 to 37 gram per deciliter. So if this value is reduced, actually in which type of anemia? In the hypochromic type of the anemia, and it can even reduce to 20 to 25%. Okay, then the color index is basically the ratio of hemoglobin percent and the RBC percent, and the normal value is 0.85 to 1.10, and if it is less than 0.85, we said that the patient has hypochromic anemia. Maybe he has less number of the you can say the hemoglobin concentration is less than the RBCs. Okay, so with this we have completed our RBC indices. What you have to remember is that only the formula of each of the RBC indices, and the second thing is the normal values. How you classify the anemia based on these indices is very easy. You can easily classify if you just know the normal value of these and you know the formula. Okay, so comment down your suggestions for the upcoming video. It will really help me to decide to post what next on my channel. Please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to HM Learnings. Don't forget to click on the SlideShare link I will share in the description box. You will easily get the slides, and also follow HM Learnings on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Till then, keep learning.